Hey, well, matching into today's video, it's 5-day forecast today, so having a detailed look at weather the next 5 days across the British Isles. Quite a straightforward period coming up, actually. We're going to have rain at times in the north and the west, but down in the south and southeast, it's going to be mostly dry, and the temperature's going to be getting a boost as well, so I think you're going to have a taste of spring as we go through the weekend and into the start of next week. Temperatures will be lifting up into the mid-teens, can you believe? So getting up to around the 60 Fahrenheit mark for some parts of the country. A very nice early little taste of what's ahead. Now, if I get on with the 5-day forecast, to say about the ads, there's links to articles both pages at gasoffice.com. Have a browse with widgets and the articles that you're interested in. Please click through. You're able to go and read those articles at the same time. Gas Office get a royalty fee on what you're doing. Thanks very much for doing that. And the competition. I'm launching a competition on Sunday. I'll have all the detail on that in a day or two, so keep checking back. But very happy with the prize. South and metcheck.co.uk weather instrumentation have teamed up to give you a very nice prize indeed. So all the detail on that coming up over the next few days. Competition will be launched on Sunday. Right, let's get on with 5-day forecast, and we've got a few showers up in the northwest of the country today. This is a radar picture from the weatheroutlook.com. You can see that, yeah, we've got a few showers up in the north and the northwest, but very little going on. Actually, a lot of dry weather coming through today. Finally, link to Weather Outlook on the links page, by the way. As you can, weathercentral.de, and this is the chart from Weather Central for today. High pressure is ridging in off the Atlantic, and this is bringing a change to that more spring-like type weather as the winds back round into the southwest, start to drag up milder air out of the Azores, and that's going to lift the temperatures up. So high pressure is ridging in. There will be a few showers scattered around today. They'll be mainly in the north, where they could still be a little bit wintry, but overall a lot of dry weather coming through today, with sunny spells and variable amounts of cloud. Temperatures a little bit higher than they have been, but still feeling quite chilly in the northwesterly winds. So temperatures up to around, say, 8 or 9 in the south and 5 or 6 in the north. It does still feel rather on the chilly side. Overnight tonight, as high pressure builds through the country, it'll turn quite cold with clearing skies and light winds. Temperatures will go down low enough for frost, easily down to 1 or 2 degrees in towns and cities, probably as low as -2 in the countryside. So expect to be scraping the car across many parts of the country in the morning. The far north Scotland will turn milder later on the night, though, as the southwesterly wind starts to pick up and some cloud moves in. So as we go through into Thursday, we're going to find a very weak weather system coming into the northwest of Scotland. That'll be producing outbreaks of rain to the northwest of high ground. A lot of cloud across Scotland and Northern Ireland on Thursday. To the east of high ground, you'll probably stay mainly dry. There will be a few drizzly breaks coming through, but the rain mainly, I think, to the north and west of high ground. For Northern England, Wales and the rest of England, it's going to be mostly dry through Thursday with sunny spells coming through. Temperatures a little bit higher, so it's around 10 degrees perhaps. 10 is 50 Fahrenheit, although feeling rather on the chilly side actually in the north, with a fairly breezy day coming up. It gets even windier as we go into Friday across Scotland and Northern Ireland. We're almost reaching gale force, I think, in terms of winds across the northern and western parts of Scotland. A lot of dry weather, a fair amount of cloud coming through, but most of that showery rain from Thursday will go actually on Friday, so plenty of dry weather, but quite cloudy and windy. For England and Wales, though, we're close to high pressure, so we remain mostly dry with sunny spells. Temperatures a little bit higher again, such 11 or 12 degrees on Friday afternoon in the southeast. In the sunny spells, 12 is 54 in Fahrenheit. And then quite an active weather system coming into the north and west of Scotland through into Saturday. So I think Scotland and Northern Ireland will have quite a cloudy day on Saturday with outbreaks of rain coming through. So not a great period coming up for the north, always best down in the south. I think that rain could be quite heavy actually on Saturday afternoon, particularly again to west of high ground, but even some pulses of heavy rain coming through to the east of high ground this time, I would imagine. For England and Wales, so lots of dry weather, a little bit of a breeze picking up, but plenty of sunny spells, and temperatures will be really lifting up as we go through in Saturday. There's a lot of mild air being dragged up from the southwest, so temperatures easily up to 13 or 14 degrees across England and Wales on Saturday afternoon. That's around 57 Fahrenheit. We could, to the east of high ground, push those temperatures a little bit higher, maybe up to 16. 16 is 61. A definite taste of spring in the air as we go through into the weekend. That front will come southwards as we move through into Sunday, just a little bit, only going down in towards the far north and west of northern England, really, developing an area of low pressure along that front. So expect the rain to be pepping up, really. Could be a very wet day for parts of Northern Ireland, southern Scotland, and the far north of Northern England. It won't get down, I don't think, in towards the south of Northern England, so Yorkshire, Derbyshire, that sort of area should probably stay mostly dry, but to the north, around Cumbria, for example, there could be a lot of heavy rain through the course of Sunday afternoon. To the north of that, central northern Scotland turns brighter, but also colder, so temperatures there just 5 or 6 degrees, and that leaves many southern, central and southeast parts of England again having a mostly dry day with sunny spells. Temperatures could be up to 16 or 17 degrees on Sunday, so that's around 61 to 63 Fahrenheit in most sunny spells. Very, very mild, very spring-like for the time of the year. And then as we move through into Monday, that low pressure will be clearing away to the east, so it never brings that cooler air down to the south, and high pressure will be re-establishing. So may start off some quite wet weather on Monday morning across parts of Northern England. It should clear away into the North Sea. And otherwise, it's generally quite a dry day with sunny spells probably increasing from the south and the southeast. As I say, the cool air never really gets down into the south and southeast, so there temperatures could still be up to 15 or 16 degrees on Monday afternoon, around 61 Fahrenheit. Still quite cold up in the north, temperatures across northern Scotland just 5 or 6 degrees, but I think that warmer air will probably be drifting northwards actually as we go through next week, so eventually it should start to warm up again for Scotland. If I have a look at the charts from the weather outlook, lots of dry weather today, a few showers scattered about, but most places should stay dry and fine, and most places should be dry across England and Wales anyway on Thursday, but there will be some cloud and rain coming into the north at times. Dry in the south on Friday, but it doesn't show it, but there will be some rain threatening northern western Scotland through the course of Friday afternoon and Friday evening. Turns heavier in the northwest as we move through into Saturday. Mainly dry down in the south, temperatures getting a real boost, and as we go through into Sunday, the rains in the north and the west, mostly dry in the south southeast. Temperatures at least up to the mid-teens in very mild spring-like sunshine. And then this shows the rain coming down into the south. I think that is a bit wrong. I think rain will be more across northern England on Monday, clearing away into the northeast and allowing dry and bright weather come up from the south. But of course, that's a long way off, and as you go out towards day 4, day 5, the confidence does fall a little bit. So in summary, well, a taste of spring coming up, mostly dry down in south, southeast, some rain at times, particularly over the weekend in the north and the west, but those temperatures really getting a boost down in the south over the weekend. A taste of spring, so do enjoy it. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.